usual, my name is Pastor Georgespratz, aka Spratz, your favorite guitar tutor on YouTube. I'm going to teach you a very important topic today. I'm simply going to teach you a proper way or the best way you can understand the blues scale from the pentatonic perspective. I've been using this a lot and I have found it very relevant, very important. Most of you are very familiar with the pentatonic scale, aren't you? Yes, but do you know that only one note would change the minor pentatonic to a blues scale? This is what I'm about to tell you. I'm going to show you a simple way, a very simple way to use the blues scale on palm 1 readings, on Highlife readings. I have majored in palm 1 guitar. I'm a palm 1 guitarist, so I usually would want to teach things related to what I know best, so that I leave the jazz to the others in the Western world. Okay? Yes. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, my name is Pastor Georgespratz, aka Spratz. Subscribe to my channel. Please click on the notification bell so the moment we upload the video, you'll be the first to stream it. Like it, please share it, and hey, don't forget to leave your comment. Your comments are very important to us. In case you're also looking for a one-on-one class, guitar class with me, it is possible wherever you may be on this continent. I now organize Zoom online classes for students in distances. If you are in America, you are in Asia, you are in Europe, wherever you are on this continent, hey, I'm going to leave my contacts, my information, so you can contact me. I will do one. You can join my one-on-one lessons or you can join the class. Both are done. Thank you. The mother of all scales is the major scale. What you call the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That is the mother of all scales. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Don't limit yourself to learning the major scale around just a particular portion of the board. Learn it at one portion and spread it all over. Okay? That is the best way to do it. So that anywhere you find yourself, you can play the major scale. Now, the major scale comprises of 8, or let me say 7 different notes. If you add the octave to it, you are going to get about 8 notes. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. The pentatonic scale simply means a 5-note scale. Just take 2 notes away from the major scale, and there you go. You get the pentatonic scale. The most used pentatonic scale is when the fa and the ti are taken out. So when you take the fa, do, re, mi, fa, instead of playing the fa, I will not play, I'll skip to so straight. La, instead of playing the ti, I'll skip to do. So I'm going to have do, re, mi, so, la, do, la, so, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, so, la, do, la, so, mi, re, do. I'm in the key of C. I prefer using key C because that's the most commonest key most of us are familiar with. re, mi, so, la, so, mi, re, do. So if I start on a major note, it becomes a major pentatonic. If I start on a minor note, it becomes a minor pentatonic. For instance, la, do, re, mi, so, la. That is a minor pentatonic. But when I start from do, re, mi, so, la, do, they are the same notes. But when you start from the do, it becomes a major pentatonic. When you start from the la, it becomes a minor pentatonic. This is the simple way I can explain it for you. The whole essence of today's exercise is to show you a simple way and a proper way to understand the blues scale from the pentatonic perspective. Before we pay attention to the blues scale, there are 5 pentatonic patterns you should know. There are 5 major pentatonic patterns you should know. The most common one is this: do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la. La, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do. Most of us know this because of the fingering. 4 1 4 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 4 1. Now let me start from the do. It's going to be do, re, mi, so, la, do. So this is another pattern, the second pattern. Re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la. Re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la. So, mi, re, do. The same thing. Do, re, mi, so, la, do. Re, mi, so, la, do, re. Okay, that's the second shape. And the third shape is this. Three. Yes, the fourth one. So mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, mi. And there's one more. If your guitar is a classical guitar, you may not be able to play around this area. So let's try to locate the so somewhere here. So you can get the so here. Instead of going here, we still have another so here. So we have so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la. You see? So these are basically the 5 pentatonic patterns every guitarist must know. Now, one note in addition to these 5 will give you the blues scale. Let me repeat. Just one note in addition to this note, these 5 will give you the blues scale. For instance, let's use the most common one. I'm going to give you just one direction, and I want you to work. Try and locate the other positions. By so doing, you familiarize yourself with the board, and you will get to know the fretboard very well. If I do all for you, you will become lazy. So I'm going to make sure I give you just 2 positions. I'm going to insert this one note within these 2 patterns for you, so you do the rest. So let's use the most popular shape, which is this. Now, la, do, re, mi. Between re and mi, I have a minor third here. So I'm adding the flat third or the minor third to the 5 notes. That's all. So this is what I'm going to have. La, do, re, mo, mi. that not blues? This is a minor pentatonic. So with at this shape, there's a more here. Do, re, mo. So that is a blues scale. Yes, so at this particular part shape one, I found the blue note here and here. So that one good thing every guitarist should do is to visualize notes on the fretboard in the way he can readily play. You try to visualize the notes in a way you will understand, the way you will feel comfortable playing. So here too, if you come to this shape, I didn't want to do it, but let me do it. On the fifth pattern, you can have it in La, So, Mi, Mo, Re, Do, La. So these are the best ways you should try to find the blues scale using the pentatonic shapes. Okay, now here, maybe in the second shape, this is the pentatonic scale. Do, re, mi, so, la, do. Now watch. La, do, re, mi. La, do, re, mo, mi. La, do, re, mo, mi. So, la, do. And this is a very popular phrase. Most Ghanaian highlife guitarists use this shape. So, la, do, re, mi. So, la, do. Re, mo. Let me take time to teach you. Okay. You see? In one popular song in Ghana, in A, does it not sound familiar? In one of your Sapon song. Blues. You can also find the blues scale here within this shape. Tutorial. This is a very short tutorial, but a very useful one. I know it's going to add some chops and interesting licks, and it's going to give you an interesting information as to how well you can improvise using blues on African rhythms. I'm Pastor George Mensa. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you're looking for a one-on-one lesson on Zoom, here are your information.